The importance of pre-sale home inspections. Why should you have inspections done on your property prior to listing it for sale? Hello, I'm Beverly Barnett with Compass Real Estate. After being in real estate for over 20 years and working with numerous sellers and helping them prepare their home for sale, I can't stress enough the importance of doing pre-sale inspections prior to having buyers walk through your property and consider making an offer. Why is this important? First, it can help identify any issues with the property that may be a concern for potential buyers. This can include things like structural problems, plumbing and electrical issues, dry rot, termites, or other types of damage or wear and tear. By addressing these things in advance, you can decide if you want to make the necessary repairs or just disclose them. But it helps both buyer and seller avoid surprises during the sale process that could delay or derail the sale. I've seen pest inspections exceed $50,000. Imagine a buyer learning about that after going into contract or that there are foundation issues. Second, pre-listing inspections can help you price your property more accurately. By understanding the condition of your property and any potential issues that may need to be addressed, you can set a realistic asking price that takes these factors into account. Third, it can give you peace of mind and confidence in the sale process. By knowing that your property is in good condition and that any necessary repairs and upgrades have either been made or fully disclosed, you can feel more confident knowing that buyers who make offers are fully informed. Fourth, by disclosing this information up front, buyers may not feel it's necessary to have an inspection contingency as part of their offer, which can save time and alleviate the stress and concern of what may show up in the inspections and if a buyer will continue to move forward with the purchase after having inspections completed. In San Francisco and Marin, it is customary for the seller to have the recommended inspections completed and included in the disclosure packet when selling a home. The recommended inspections will depend on the type of property you have, but the most common ones are a general property inspection, a pest inspection, which includes dry rot, termites, and powder post beetles, a sewer lateral inspection, and a roof inspection. Of course, if you have a pool or fireplaces, it may be a good idea to have those things looked at as well. If you have any questions or need assistance, reach out as we'd love to help you feel confident and feel fully prepared in selling your home.